Alright guys, what are we doing?
Today I'm going to plant these two. You can see that the poppies.
Georgie, Mommy, what are we doing?
We're gonna get our seeds started.
Okay, what are we doing with the cups?
We are going to drill holes in the bottom, and then we're gonna fill them up with some organic potting mix, and then
Seed starting mix.
plant starting mix, and then put some seeds in and label them.
Label them with,
Hey, he's got the Sharpie.
not sponsored by Sharpie, but using Sharpie.
God.
Today
Georgia.
we are going to plant seeds today.
What's that cool thing behind you?
Sachi, what's this?
It is for our plants. So when I tip it over, when it's gonna freeze in the breeze, so when I tip it over like that, all of our seeds are gonna.
Is it like a mini greenhouse?
Yeah, this is our greenhouse.
Cool. It's not a coffin?
No.
Okay.
Good job, George. Let me help. Let me help. Hold on.
Okay, well, do not move your single body. Our suckers are gonna roll off, okay? Okay. Other. Almost like it. We're done. I can just get to root so I can get this. Good job. Well, I'm gonna do Dad's job and your job.
Really?
Mommy.
Hmm.
I'm doing your job. Can I have a seat? Put it on my cup of right? My cup, I did.
What are
Those cup flowers called? Can I have a seat? Can I see? The cups that are in 2 cups. I stand up here and you do it. We have some seats. Would you mind hand me that cup, please? Thank you. Dad, there's 2 cups. I just got one. This is fun, isn't it, Dad? I just got seed in it.
Nope, these ones don't have seeds in them yet.
You just do 3 scoops, right, Dad? Probably.
Thank you. That is what I needed.
Okay. Got it. Come on. I got a new one for this one. This one needs seeds. I got 1, 2 cups ready.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Radish. Giant radish.
Wow. Giant radish? I mean, this one.
Little. Just
I
little.
think those are too little.
Really little. All right, put those in there.
Yeah. Thank you.
I didn't label this. Do
we
you have a pen?
Mom, I'm doing
see the pen.
We are starting 58 seeds today. You can see that our worker guy, he is trying to get the stuff
Our
down
worker
there.
guy? I don't think he's going to appreciate all the work you're doing.
Oh, the concrete side.
There we go. He's the concrete guy.
I go wash this off. It's got dirt on it.
What has dirt on it? Your sucker?
Yeah.
Where are you going to wash it off at?
In the trough.
No, that's just yucky. Just leave it
I
there.
did it. I did it.
Where do we get those tags?
From the milk jugs.
Wanna show them? How do we get them?
My dad cuts them. You can see that I made 2 bunny rabbit ears.
No.
No.
George. You know the rules.
Sorry. Mom, stop.
George.
Cucumber. I got cucumber. This one's sausages. You know all these sausages.
That one's Chachi's?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
One.
Oh, give that one to Dad.
All right, Mom. Here. My turn.
Hold on, no.
She did do it twice. Daddy got you a new one.
Wish you guys could read, then you could help, okay?
Wait, what was labeled? Oh, flower bomber. What clay bomber? What are those kind of seeds?
Watermelon.
I don't know.
But drop one in each hole. One. One. Again. One. One.
So without saying what did you just do?
Hey, Dad.
I really didn't mean to do that.
Hey, Daddy.
We just planted
Daddy.
seeds. Yes.
Georgie, what did you just do?
I love you.
I love you.
What did you just do? What did you do?
Tell Daddy, what'd you do?
What did you put in the pots?
Seeds.
You're not getting nothing out of the little feral raccoon. So we just did our third round of seeds. Gosh dang, dude. That is bad. We just did our third round of seeds. We've got pretty much everything that we missed the first go around. I did. Wow.
What?
Oh my gosh, that is bad, dude.
Dude.
So, in our first cold frame, I did pretty much everything we grew on our old homestead. And we missed quite a few things like spearmint, radishes, zucchini, squash, spaghetti squash, some of the stuff we do eat a lot of. So I did that all over here, and that'll go in our second cold frame we just finished yesterday. And probably end up adding some more seeds. We have more seeds in our seed box that I'd like to add. We really want to do more flowers and stuff straight into the ground. I don't really want to do cups for like the hollyhocks and the butterfly bush and stuff like that. You can, I just don't want to. So this is basically everything we'll be eating. Get it in the cold frame, then get it in raised beds or in the ground.